Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own photos to Canva. So if you want to go ahead and add your own image into a Canva design or template, let's say I'm going to choose this thumbnail right here and I like it. I'm going to click on it, then click customize this template. And the template's going to be ready, but you want to add in your own image into it. So how do you do that? All you have to do, guys, is simply go ahead and upload your image. So on the left hand side, click and upload. Ensure that you find your image that you want to upload for yourself. So I'm going to open, for example, my file explorer right here, and I'm going to just go ahead and go into my downloads, for example, find an image. So let's say this is the image that I want to use. I drag it into the Canva upload, and it's going to go ahead and upload that image for me. And once the image is uploaded, you can easily go ahead and replace the image. Just find your image, click on it and drag it. So you want to left click and drag it and put it into the section where the current picture is. Once you put it there, let's let go, because you will see that it's slot right in, and replace it, and that's it. You can also go ahead and adjust your image if you want, and that to do that, just double click and it's going to give you the option to literally move around your image and stretch it out. So let's say if I want just a face or something like that, I can adjust it just like this and then click away. That's how you go ahead and add your own photos in Canva in a design. Very easy and very simple.